Hello friends, Merry Christmas and I hope you are doing well. Today we will be analyzing the share VSES Infotronics and we will be doing an in-depth analysis of this phenomenal bull run which is backed by a high volume. And we will try to also analyze the sustainability of this bull run and we will be seeing that if this bull run is a real one or it may be a trap for the retail traders. But friends, before we begin, let me tell you that every weekdays means from Monday to Friday I am coming live in YouTube for Nifty, Bank Nifty and next day stock analysis. If you want to join us in the live video, you may join us every weekdays Monday to Friday 7:30 p.m. on YouTube. And for getting the notification, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and enable the all notification button. So friends, now let's start with VSES Infotechnics share price analysis. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Hello friends, welcome back to the video. Right now we will be analyzing this phenomenal run of VSES Infotechnics Limited. I know that many of you are thinking about buying this stock because it is giving a very good amount of very high momentum trade on the upside. But many of you have also some doubt about this movement and they are thinking that if this bull movement is a really bull movement or it may be a trap for the retail traders or small traders. So friends, let me tell you that this bull run have started few days ago and this movement have started basically because of one news. And friends, this is the news that the company have informed BSE that Phoenix ARC Private Limited has accepted the company's proposal for one-time settlement of their dues. And the amount of the settlement is around 2 crores. And friends, normally speaking, this type of debt payment news triggers a positive pulse in the investor's mind. But friends, as a responsible investor, we must dig down into the news. And we must obtain or we must search for the adequate source from where the rupees are coming for this debt payment. Is it coming from the profit or it is coming from the pledging or it is coming from anywhere else? So to dig down into the news, first we must go to screener.in to check that the profit and loss statement of this company. So friends, right now we have come to screener.in and we are in the fundamental page of VSES Infotechnics, which have been recently renamed as MPS Infotechnics. Both are same companies. So friends, if we see here, we can see that the ROC is already negative and ROE is also negative. That means this company is not getting any kind of profit from the market. As the ROC and ROE both are negative, there is no stock P because there is no profit. Now let me take you to the original P&L statement. So friends, we have come to the P&L statement of VSES Infotechnics. Now let me question you that if you are getting or if you are seeing any kind of net profit in last 3 years, you may see that every time it have gone into the negatives. So the company is making repeated loss year on year basis. Even the nominal operating profit is also showing a year on year basis loss in this company. That means the price or the money which have been paid to the debtors is not coming from the operating profit or net profit. Now you may question me that from where this profit is coming or from where this money is coming. To answer that question, I will take you to the moneycontrol.com. So friends, we have come to moneycontrol.com and we are in the page of VSES Infotech. You can see that. And in the bulk deal section, you will see that in last couple of days, there is only selling of shares. Only selling of shares. Most of them are only selling. Only a small amount have been purchased by one of the investors. Rest all are selling. That means their investors or promoters are selling huge amount of share in the market. Now from bulk deal section, we'll go to the insider trading section. See friends, in the insider transaction summary also, you will see that invocation of pledge. What is meant by invocation of pledge? That means the promoter have already pledged the shares and right now he is not able to pay the price of the pledging. So he is giving out those shares permanently to the pledgee. So that means friends, the promoter is also unloading their shares of this company to other investors or in the market. So that's why it have been written over here, invocation of pledge. And you may see that in November, December only, there is huge amount of invocation of pledge. So friends, I hope now you are been able to understand the total situation of VSES Infotechnics. Now friends, tell me that after getting or after seeing all the fundamentals and technicalities, do you think that this amount of movement is being done for making the good profitability, or it is getting a up movement for trapping the retail traders who will buy these shares by seeing the movement on the upside? I think the answer is very clear to you after seeing all these fundamentals and technicalities. If they are paying out their debts, if the stock price is opening, but they are not making any kind of profit from the market, that means this movement may not sustain in near future. So friends, write a comment in the video. Tell me that whether you also wanted to invest in this stock or you have already invested in this stock, and what's your opinion after viewing this video and viewing all these fundamentals and technicalities. Let me know that in the comments. So friends, if you like this video, then like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. Also, if you need any kind of guidance in the live market, you may join our Telegram channel and post your question and queries in the discussion board. It is absolutely free. There is no charges for this service. You will find our Telegram link below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We'll definitely meet in our next educational video.